Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm in Deep Cove with Sean and we are waiting for Hanna and Haesung. Today is the last day I can see Hanna before she goes back to Korea, so it's gonna be really sad, but we're in a really cool place, so let's go check it out.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time.
They're here!
Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now.
Okay, so we're gonna go paddle boarding, not paddle boating, which I'm not prepared for. I didn't bring anything to swim in, so I had to buy this bag. It's like a waterproof something for my camera. Yeah, we just got 2 hours, one paddleboard. I think it was like $39. Yeah!
A few moments later.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Good.
So we keep seeing the sea lion somewhere. He came really close, but I couldn't get my camera out fast enough. He's so cute. I really want to see him. Where is he? There he is. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh shit, look at these waves! Whoa! Oh my god!
오, 진짜 살았다. 와, 살았다.
We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys.
Hey guys, we had a lot of fun paddleboarding and we saw some seals. They actually weren't sea lions. We're now going to this Korean restaurant, South Castle, I think, but we're in North Vancouver. Let's go.
To see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this?
I ate so much food, I'm so full now. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna say bye to Hanna. Bye! See you next time. But she said she's not coming back to Vancouver. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you